Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you guys can change your name in your Among Us account. This works on iPhone, Android, and most devices you're playing Among Us on. This works on the new update, and here's exactly how you do it. So first you want to make sure you're in the main menu, as I am here, and there's a My Account button. You're going to go ahead and click that My Account button, and you're going to click on Account. Don't click on Stats, you're going to click on Account. Now, you can click on Change Name right there, or Manage Your Account to change some other things. Now, if I click Change Name, I can re-roll and choose whichever name I would like. You can actually type if you'd like, so if example, I want to go ahead and type something like example or something, I can go ahead and do that. So I can click on Confirm when I'm done that, and there you go, I just changed my username to example O. So that's exactly how you do it. Very, very simple.